Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll teach you how to create a simple batch file that allows you to retrieve all the network names you've connected to, along with the password for each network. In many real-life situations, you might connect to a Wi-Fi network once, and then forget its password. Instead of resetting the router or asking for the password again, Windows already stores this information securely. Using a batch file allows us to retrieve these saved credentials quickly, automatically, and without any third-party tools. By the end of this video, you'll have a one-click solution that does all the hard work for you. However, I want to emphasize that this script should only be used on networks that you own or have explicit permission to access. Unauthorized access to networks is illegal and unethical. Okay, let's get started. First, open New Text File, right-click anywhere on your desktop, select New from the menu, and then click Text Document. This is the text file where we'll place the code and commands we'll use, and give the file a descriptive name. Next, paste the command into the text file. This command, in short, scans your system windows. This scan searches for all saved Wi-Fi profiles, and then filters out only the profile names. In other words, it filters all the data, and displays only the name of the network you connected to, known as the SSID. It then retrieves detailed information about the Wi-Fi profile, and displays the password as plain text for each network. Thus, it filters out all the data and displays only the name and password of each network. Finally, it displays a message indicating that the process was completed successfully. That's the function of this command in brief, and now I will save the text file as a batch file, so that you don't have to type the command every time you want to retrieve the password for a Wi-Fi network you've previously connected to. The next step is how to save as a batch file. Click on File at the top, and from the menu, select Save As, change Save As type to All Files, then give the file a descriptive name, for example, display the SSD name and password. Then change the file extension to .bat, instead of .txt. This extension tells Windows to treat the file as an executable script. Finally, click the Save button. The executable file will immediately be created on your desktop. Now you can close the text file. Next, I will run the batch file. All you have to do is double-click the file, or right-click it, and run as administrator, or select Open. Once the batch file is run, it will immediately open a command prompt window, and begin executing the script. Within seconds, it will display all the Wi-Fi networks this computer has previously connected to, along with the password for each network, in an organized manner. In my case, the program detected 5 different Wi-Fi networks. For each network, the program clearly displayed the network name, followed by the saved password, showing each network individually for easy reading. The command prompt also didn't display any unnecessary technical information. It only showed the essential information, the Wi-Fi network name and password. This is exactly what I wanted. Finally, by using this batch file, you can quickly retrieve saved Wi-Fi network names and passwords directly from Windows, without needing to install any external software. It's ideal for troubleshooting, documentation, and recovery purposes. As I mentioned at the beginning, this script should only be used on networks that you own or have explicit permission to access. If you like this video, please click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell icon so you don't miss any new content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.